I'm going to read the Camera Studio mod for Minecraft Forge 1.8 to actually do that. And since I do the whole, so this is not to be live now. Crushed pick Camera Studio. No, yeah. So in the upper right corner, I have added, of course, remove it. Tell me if important to know. So I'm just going to add these. This is all Forge mod. Here we go, and the mod ID its version can go away, and now this is my mod. I'm finished. See you in the next video. Bye. So I'm here in Eclipse, which, and yeah, you could, and so what I'm going to create a new pack at, and yeah, let's just call it void key and events, and just open the tab. Oh, very good. And this method on key, a key, on this is just when I click on. So I have to actually key, but fortunately I have the source for my here in my repository, and event handler, this one. That sucks. Oh, the handler. Well, then just organize the imports, merge event to actually these methods, and pretty even sure. Let's just do fine for. So yeah, if I going to start or at the bitrate, it could be an option. Just write it in the check. But I think live with feeds are on. Oh, that it's whole console keeps stopping. It sucks. Let me just whenever I'm in a micro. Okay, so whenever I Lego Technic, your idea looks pretty quick. Key input event. If let's do it like this. Not sure if that way. Yeah, okay, I am back. I'm not quite sure how YouTube has handled this. No, I'm not using tick events. The tick events are something not to use in this case. Okay. Now it works. Now I have to I have to check if the key is down. If keyboard is key down. Yeah, that might work actually. I could of course look up the whole thing. That might be an option. Let me just reload the page real quick. To have a look if the stream is working. So it should stop lagging now. At least it stopped for me when I'm having a look over there. Yeah, Patrick's, it's all right. Okay. So I think I'm going to add a new package, which is going to be called path. And then I'm going to have a path handler. In this path handler, now this is going to be dirty programming, but I think it's still fine. Let's just have private static list position keyframes, import this one. We don't want to import that because I have to okay, apparently you didn't see any of that. Okay, fixed it. Yeah, sorry. So basically what I've done is I've added a new class called path handler where I have some keyframes, and let me add a new class which is called position. And what this class does, it basically holds like a position, which makes sense. Private float, pitch, and yaw. And I'm going to have a list of these position points, which is in an order. And yeah, so whenever I click on the P button, I'm going to add a new position which contains my XYZ value and the pitch and yaw, and it's going to add it to that keyframes list. So let me just generate some getters and setters, and generate a constructor. Yeah, Eclipse makes it pretty easy for me there. Okay, so here we have the positions. So let's add keyframe position. So whenever this method is called, it adds a new position to the keyframes list, and keyframes new array list. Maybe I should do that here as well. Then I'm going to add public static key position get keyframe. This basically just gives a position from the list, because I'm not going to make the list public for other classes to see, but I'm doing the path handler handle all of this stuff. And yeah. Uh, good. Good. Whenever I'm having this key down, well, I could actually just look up the key real quick. So, what is it called? Key codes. I'll just have a look at the key code references. Oh, that's good. It's actually on the Minecraft website. Okay, P has the key code of 25. And that should work. 25. Just let me system out print P pressed. Okay, so I'm going to start it. What should happen now is whenever I click P, it's going to tell me P pressed down in the chat console. This is some pretty basic stuff. And after that, if it works, I'm going to test if the player is in the world, and I'm going to add the position of the player to the list of keyframes. Okay, it's just P. It doesn't seem to work. Maybe get event key. Okay. I think that might actually be enough. Let's try it again. Hello to everyone in the chat. Actually, the IP to the server is /pixel.eu, just in case you were wondering. So let's hit P a couple of times. Why doesn't this work? This is really, really bad. Let me just go back to my earlier code. Never change running system is what they say. And I think I can just leave it like that. It might seem a bit dirty, but rather dirty code than not working code. And yes, I do know who Mumbo Jumbo is. Of course, why would I not know him? Just ask any questions you want in the any questions you want in the chat over there. I'm going to answer them whenever the Minecraft here is loading. P. What did it actually say here? I've read something. I think there was a different way of having an event system with keyboard keys. Key P, that is good. What is the value for it? 25, yeah. If event, well, this key event is, it's really bad because it doesn't really tell me anything about the key input that is provided. Keyboard dot. Okay, let me just, whoops, wrong one. Let me just have a look here. Google is my friend. JGL, I have no idea why it's called like this. Okay. This should do fine. Okay, I might just have a look for that. Okay, I might as well just have my own event handling, because the event handling for this that Forge provides me with is really bad. How am I? I'm fine. Can you create a smart moving mod for Minecraft 1.8? No, probably not, because the Camera Studio mod is just, it's kind of a very simple thing to create, but the creator of this mod is just not updating it. And this is the reason why I decided to actually take the things in my own hand. Okay. So I'll probably just a private thread key input thread. Okay, I'm going the hard way now. Actually, I might as well do that, because this is what Google suggested and it makes sense. Might as well start a thread. I'm not even sure if that's necessary. I'll just leave it like this, because William, you didn't watch the beginning of the stream. What will this mod do? The Camera Studio mod, maybe I should have explained that earlier actually. It is a mod where you can fly around your world. For example, if you're in creative mode, and then you hit P or input chat command, and whenever you are and you can then decide to run a path, and it's just going to smoothly move your camera between the waypoints you set. And this mod is for Minecraft 1.7, and I'm going to update it to 1.8. Okay, god damn it, this is really bad. Maybe I just did something really wrong here. How did I learn Java? Well, I decided that I would want to be able to program, and then I just went to the internet, the big internet, and I started looking for tutorials. These tutorials did not help me at all, of course, but But I then started looking at code that others made, and I simply concluded stuff. So this is the way I did it. I just concluded stuff. This is a real pain in the ass for me. Just get back to it. This is stuff I shouldn't really be worrying about, because this is such a simple thing to just listen when a guy presses a key, the player. But for some reason it still doesn't work. I'm doing something terribly wrong. This is, of course, the showcase effect, because I'm currently showing you how to program, or how I am programming. Did I, for some reason, remove the event handler or something? No, I didn't even. Okay, let's get back to the beginning. Why isn't this working? Maybe, what's a key input event? FML event open. Has it started? The old one is still running. Yeah. Okay. So apparently the key event is only called whenever. Okay. Then let me just do keyboard. The event is only called if I'm inside of a world. This is good. Okay, at least this makes sense now. Okay, Skjold, he's he's having hashtag God's PC. Do you know how to make mods with new mobs or new items or blocks? Yes, I do know how to do that. But the question is, will I show you? Dun dun dun. I always okay, very good, very good. I always recommend that you look for tutorials. Tutorials are the key to everything. Camera Studio mod is not ported to 1.8. It is in the Creative Edition mod. Yeah, but it is. It does not have smooth camera paths, which is the thing which I want to add, because otherwise there would be no point of actually creating it in this stream, right? Let's continue. Okay, so I'm now going to get a reference on the Minecraft, which is not too hard, and then MC the player. Okay, if MC the player is not null, which means that the player is in a world, then I can add a new position, Here we go. That's good. Let me just add private position from entity, or no, from player Okay, here we have the player. Position P, or no, return a new position. Okay, so now I'm getting from the player that is currently in the world. I will be getting the X, Y, Z values, and I'm also going to get his pitch and his yaw, which is basically the direction in which he looks. Player, camera, pitch, and player, camera, yaw. That's good. Okay. So whenever I click on P, I'm going to add a new position to the list of keyframes which I'm having. Yeah, it's probably Skjold is quoting me there. Whatever I'm doing, I'm just showing this to you. You don't need to understand it. It's just so you know how I am like when I'm creating a mod. I'm probably not commentating though whenever I am on myself, especially not in English. Okay, so let's go on. I probably want a command handler now. Command. Cam command. Okay, I have to admit I have no idea how to implement a new command to a mod using Forge. But fortunately, there is the big world of the internet, which is going to give me a awfully formatted tutorial. This is the mod. Why does somebody center there? Seriously, why would people do that? Okay, I'm just trying to understand this now. It has to extend the command base. Makes sense. I will have to implement these methods. Okay, private static final string command or command name equals cam. So yeah, I'm just going to scream at the reader of this code using some caps lock. Get command usage. Execute. I'm really not sure what the command usage should return. This is for /help. Okay, this makes sense. Okay, usage /cam p adds a new position to the current path. What else could I do? Slash cam clear clears the camera path. And I'm going to add the cam goto, of course. That should be fine. Okay, so this should work, and this is just going to do nothing. Okay, so where do I have to register the command? Let me have a look. What is this? What is this? Where, in which class is this? I have no idea. This forum page is so badly formatted, that's awful. Comment center is a player. Okay, good. So in the... Okay. I will now have to register this command, so Minecraft knows it. This is... I'm not sure. Server start. Yeah. I have no idea how do I actually do client-side commands. Okay. I'm now going to minecraftforge.net and I will have a look at register client-side command. Because I do not want to add the thing, the command to the whole multiplayer. Rather just like to the player itself. No. It's a client-side mod, exactly. This is... not if you do it properly. Want to patch entity client. Oh god. This will need me to do some really dirty programming. Oh god. This is bad. This is really bad. I don't want this. This forum thread is awful. Oh yes. Here we go. Use iChat listener or server chat event. Or use iChat listener or server chat event or a GUI. God damn it, if my siblings could stop screaming around, that would be really helpful. At least for you guys. Okay. Do I have a chat event? Command event. When is it called? Command event is fired whenever a command is scheduled to be executed. I think I can handle that. That should work. So I'm just going to add it to my event handler. Public void on command. Yes, I know I can do it, but it takes longer if I'm streaming. True. Event.get command get name. Okay, let's just try this out real quick. It was probably not the best idea to do all of that stuff without having the faintest idea about everything on Forge. I'm having quite some knowledge about the stuff which I've needed for the Camera Studio mod, but I have a well-built GUI, graphical user interface, for the Camera Studio mod, for the replay mod, sorry, and the Camera Studio mod uses chat commands. And yes, Skull, you should start crying in a corner immediately. /test. /say hi. Aha. So I have to register my own command. When is that? The Minecraft Forge event bus. Comment handler. Where do we have the command handler? This is interesting now. Let's just have a look at that one. How do I get... okay, it's probably just... This is not what I want. This is not what I want either. Google. Minecraft Forge chat command. But I wanted client side. Client command handler. This exists. Let me just open the declaration real quick. Nice. Register command. This is nice. Okay, I've found a work around doing some real ugly shit. And client command handler instance register command. Okay, now I should have properly registered this command. Mr. Commentator, I can stream from Germany, but I cannot watch streams in Germany. Animate the chat if you can. Guys, this is just a very simple mod. It's not supposed to do such fancy stuff. Can somebody please tell me /cam, please say it exists. /cam. You do not have permission to use this command. Fuck you. But at least the /cam command exists. Exactly, because otherwise it would say unknown command. Can someone please tell me what's inside the Twitter post from the destruction? That would really interest me. Cam command. How can I define whether I have to be OP? Let's just have a look at the command base. Not here. Huh? Add tab. So if I override the get required permission level, this is what I just concluded from the source, to be 0, I should have the ability to execute it even though I am not OP. I did not cuss. It's just no, totally not. Well, let me just drink something. /cam. Nice. So now the /cam command is just being completely eaten. But that doesn't bother me at all. Let me remove that. Okay, so now if I add something to the execute method, this command is being executed. If sender instance of entity player okay, I'll have to private Minecraft MC the player return. So this is only going to do something whenever this is only going to do something if the player who sends the command is going to is the actual player. So if a command block uses this command, it's not going to work. Throw new command exception. executed by the player. And I will just add nothing there. Else MC the player send add chat component add chat message new chat component. Okay, should work like this. Let's just try it out. As I already said, I have never worked with camera commands yet, but I'm pretty surprised that it works. Yes, this is pretty far from Python. But I've started with Python as well, so don't feel down, it's all possible. Also, Eclipse is cooler than Notepad++ for Python. Just saying. /cam. Executed the /cam command. Woo! Minecraft command block. It says unknown command. Maybe I'll just do it. Why does it say? It's just for testing. Okay. Yeah, this makes sense. What if I add test as an object? I'm just playing around right now. What is stop mod reposts? I have not worked with that yet. Please tell me. I'm interested. Yes, I know that command blocks are handled by the server. Ah, thanks, Meta. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Of course. Thanks. So what he was saying is, of course, the command block cannot know the command because the command blocks are being processed by the server, and the command which I have created is client-side. Button ASAS. Can you please... Hey! I'm not reposting. I'm creating an original mod which is called Cinecam. The point of this is to be for Minecraft 1.8 a camera studio mod. I'm not naming it camera studio mod. I'm not saying that it's for 1.8. It's my own mod. It's not the camera studio mod, so I'm allowed to post it wherever I wish. Okay. If args length is 0, so if I have no arguments, then I'm going to tell him usage type /cam help Yeah, I'm not sure if he's accusing me. No, he's not. Of course not. Yes, website might steal it. I've heard of that. There are these bad websites like 9Minecraft, which are just like taking stuff, and they have like in their title, Camera Studio Mod Minecraft 1.8, just give it for download. even though the file that is for the download is just still for Minecraft 1.7. This puts this shows the modders in a bad light because it appears that a mod is not working to the user, and 9 Minecraft gets more clicks because if somebody Googles Camera Studio Mod 1.8 and their site shows up, they are getting advertisement money, and this is highly illegal. Exactly. Sakol, I cannot make a mod which will show the list of text by clicking on the tab list because the autocomplete mod which I have worked on was basically how to explain. It was suggesting to the server that the player hit tab in the chat, and the server then told him which options for commands the client had. And the server, as long as the server doesn't tell the client all of the autocomplete options for MBT data, I cannot implement that in my mod as well. That's the sad truth. Have you ever noticed that if I jump, the particles are darker green than the actual leaves? Funny. Okay, let's get back to the mod. Boah. You can quote that as well, Skjold. No, I'm not recreating the whole mod. I'm just recreating the important stuff. Okay, slash cam help. I thought that get command usage slash okay, apparently the apparently the command has to be registered to the server to give the help message. So I'm just returning this here. That might be the easiest way. Good. If args dot, maybe I should add this cam start duration travels the camera path in the given time. Example slash cam start 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yes, slash help is server side. I'm really surprised that there are so many people who actually know what I'm doing in the chat. That's nice. Okay, so I think this was the hardest part. Now I am. What's wrong with quality? I have no idea what's the resolution. For me, it should be 1080p. Okay. At the time, you will see that. I don't have to post that. This is why I added an example. So, yeah. If base equals So now I'm getting the first argument, which might be start, clear, or go to, for example. And if it equals clear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to path handler clear keyframes. And then I'm going to add the chat component. Okay, if base dot equals, I might actually do that. Equals ignore case. What's another string? Go to. Path. Okay. Wow. So here I'm assuring, I'm just testing if there is a second argument, because if I have cam go to, I need to know the point where the player has to jump to. Okay. No, I'm not. I'm the original creator for this mod, the CineCam mod, but I did not create the Camera Studio mod. This is not me. Since the guy who has created the Camera Studio mod is too lazy, I am updating it to 1.8 myself. Okay, I'm just being lazy here. Try to integer index equals integer value of args1. So basically, I am converting the third argument. So okay, let's just give an example. Go to 1. The 1 is given as a string, and I'm converting it to a number which I can work with. This is what I'm doing here. If it's, for example, 1 ASDF, it's going to tell me that it's going to tell me the command usage. Oh wait, that doesn't make sense. Should do that. My opinion on HTML is, nope, it is not a programming language. Don't hate me. Nested try catches. I shouldn't do that. This is ugly as fuck. Try churn E. I might as well do. Is not a valid point. Yeah. Position pos equals path handler dot get keyframe index. PHP is a programming language as well, and I think that it's better than JavaScript, just saying, because it isn't as vulnerable. Okay, let's continue. MC the player move tele okay position pause entity player import. Okay, so in this method I'm just going to teleport the player to the given location. Pause x equals pause get x, player pause y equals pause get y, player pause z equals pause get z, player camera pitch equals pause get pitch, and okay, now I am really not sure if this is going to work or if I have to take out the dirty stuff. Teleport pause see the player, but I'm going to try out later. Okay, let's continue. If base equals ignore case p. So this is what happens when the player clicks on cam p or types it in the chat. This is when I'm going to add a new position keyframe. Didn't I once code that already? Yes, I did. I should make a utils class. Class utils. Yeah, this is where I'm going to edit. Never write code twice. That's dirty. Really dirty. Add keyframe. Utils get position from player. MC dot the player. There's a thing called dry code, and dry stands for don't repeat yourself, and this is of course what I'm trying to do. I'm not sure if I can make a player execute a command. Let me just Google that. Whoops, wrong. I don't want it with bucket, god damn it. This is why sitemigrantfort.net is a thing. Oh god, this is a dirty lie. Dude, you are so I'm so done with you. That is... Okay, I'm not going to... Okay. Stop saying that, please. Of course, stuff like C sharp. God damn it, why doesn't this work? Of course, it might be better if it was written with C sharp, but seriously. Java is not the reason why Minecraft is laggy. The reason is that it's horribly coded. It's just so awfully coded, it's incredible. The notch code is good, but the stuff that others like Sarge or Dinnerbone have added, nothing against you guys if you hear this for some reason, but if you have a look at Optifine, Optifine is just optimizing. It's just optimizing the code which the Mojangsters have written, and it can give you like 200 FPS more just by optimizing their code. If they would do it themselves without needing somebody else to actually mod it, yeah, this is the only reason. And of course, this wouldn't be possible. I couldn't mod this game if it was not written in Java. That's true, Herobrine. Performance would not be better. It wouldn't. It would be better if the Mojangsters would code better code, but really, this is not Java's fault. Let Java out of this. Okay. What is entity player SP? Then chat message. Ah, no. I can make all of this a lot better later. Optifine does not want to be vanilla. They have refused working with Mojang already, but we're working on better things. Wow. I didn't know that. But they are working on better things, of course. Okay, so slash cam go to 1, cam go to 2, and cam go to 3. They all do the same thing. God damn it. Slash cam clear. Camera path has been reset. Okay. Let's just do P, and P. Cam go to 1, cam go to 2, cam go to 3. Okay, so apparently it always teleports me to the last keyframe I've added. Huh. Let's add some debug output. Oh, okay, I gotta go to the toilet real quick. Toilet break. Have fun, it will just take a couple of seconds. I'm back. I'm back. Okay. Let me add this to the utils method. Public static void teleport. And I have, while being on the toilet, found out why it's not working. Was the dirty hack I have mentioned earlier. Don't question it, just accept it. It's dirty, but it works. I've done the same thing in the replay mode. Oh, you all seem to be so shocked about that awkward toilet break. God damn it, guys. I'm a human as well. Stash cam go to 1. Could you please... Meh. Player. Come. Oh, what was it called? Block position, right? No. Get pause Z position. Yeah. If that works, I'm pretty dumb. Let's just put all of that in brackets and ignore it. In comments, I mean. Fire. I have something to eat here, but I'm not sure if I want to bother you. Of course this will work with Optifine and other mods. This is why I'm writing it with Forge. Because Forge is just there for compatibility. should really stop. I should really remove that. Execute the cam command. Why is it making me look in that direction? I don't want to look in that direction. F3 is your friend. Why is it... Seriously, why do you make me look in that direction? That's not kind. First it wants the yaw, then it wants the beach. That is all right. I know why. It might be that I have to use some maths to actually calculate the rotation. This. That might work as well. I have no idea about the difference. Yeah, I really shouldn't do math. Sorry. Actually, I have to learn... I should be learning maths for my Abitur. But I can't, because I have to code. The Abitur is like finals in Germany. It's a pretty annoying thing, but once you have it, it's cool. Stop forcing me in that direction. I really wonder why it's not working. Maybe I am... That might explain it. I'm using the wrong variables there. Yes, this is going to be a forge mod, definitely. All of these guys messaging me on Skype and I can't answer because this is a goddamn live stream. It's important. Why do I have so many viewers? I mean, I don't have a problem, but it's cool. Hello. Apparently this is more interesting than me playing on my server. Okay, let's just add using the P button. /cam go to 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yeah, so I would say let's get to the real part now. The one with the actual movement. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Answer already in the chat. No, just kidding. Okay. Should have returned there as well. Okay, if base equals ignore case start. I can copy that. Stop it. I have actually never tested the help thingy. I could do that as well now. Come here, Minecraft. You're all ready, that's nice. Okay, so now I'm adding the cam start command. You see, this has taken me like 1.5 hours now. And I'm pretty far already. Slash cam. Nice. Slash cam start. Can let that away. I can let that away here as well. Can I actually even let the backslash n away there, which means new line. Okay. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? I have no idea. Best song ever. Okay, now it's time to parse. Now it's time to parse. This. I think it's possible with the simple date format. Lego Lord, hello, nice to see you here. I have seen some of your mods. The one with the NPCs is pretty funny. No, I'm not gonna sing more. Totally not. Okay. I'm not going to sing, stop it. Lego Lord, I do not want it to parse. I want it to parse a custom string, for example, here we have the example. 1m20s. That's what I want. But I'm going to add a new utils method. Okay. So wrong. How did that actually work? I have no idea about simple date formats anymore. I used to, but it's not. Of course. I think it was like this. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do something else, which static list simple date formats. This might be a bit dirty again, but who gives a fuck? I don't. Good. So here I will add all of the possibilities what users might input. For example, they might input like 10M. They might input 1M. They might input 10M and 1 second. Like this. And they might of course have like this, and they might of course have it like this or like this. That should be all of the possibilities if I am correct. Make sure you can do camera tilt too. Jersin was the one who said faggot. But hello, Jersin. It's fine if he says that. It's no problem. He means it as a joke. Let me refresh. Wow, I have 44 viewers. That's pretty nice. I think 200 days, nah, I will not expect anyone to do that. Should I add hours? No, hours would just make all of that too complicated. Okay, let me do it like this. For simple date format SDF in date formats. That might actually work. Let me try it out. Cam command long duration equals utils get duration from string time and print out the duration. Now I'm really excited because I have no idea. There is not, I mean, if you wanted to have like 100,000 hours or 1,000,000 hours, do whatever you wish. Add a 200 days Easter egg. Okay. Equals. What am I going to say? Who actually said that? No, Jax Minecraft, you cannot use 200 days. This is funny. Let's just execute it again. I think it's already running, but just for the Easter egg's sake. This is why live streaming is fun. Whoops. So the chat is just on my right, on my secondary screen, and I really shouldn't change anything there because it's screen captured as well. Goodbye, Lego Lord. Okay, cam start 200 days. It's working. Denim. This is not working. I don't really know. How do simple date formats work? I knew it once because I have actually written a Camera Studio bucket plugin. God damn it. Really? You just like calculated how many seconds a day has, 200 days have? Okay, shouldn't be too hard anyway, but still. Ah, it wasn't with this kind of thing. This should work. Actually, days aren't even supported. It just all of the valid inputs you can give are with minutes. Or with minutes or seconds. Days aren't valid. That is not a possibility. Yeah. Oh, I've lost so many viewers. Why do you leave? That's rude. Thanks to all of you who are still here. Including Jerson. /cam start 1s. Okay. What the hell? Ah ha ha ha. Okay, I need a calendar. Calendar get instance. Cal set new date 0. Calendar minute date get minutes. Not sure if that's 30. It probably is. because it has some deprecated methods. Duration equals cal get time in milliseconds. I really have no idea if this makes it any better, but maybe. I mean, if everybody wants to have unlimited time, it's not my problem. Okay, if they wanted to have a time lapse which lasts a ton of time, they should just do, if they want to last it 5,000 minutes, but that's not my problem, really. I don't care. Bye, Jerson. /cam start 10s. Ooh, it works. It does not work for minutes and seconds. Oh, I've forgotten. Yeah. This is a possibility as well, I've forgotten that. Okay, but now it works, even though it is so dirtily coded, but forget it. It's working. Please add infinite. No, I'm not, of course not going to. Like this? I think that should satisfy you. If duration equals -1, I'll have to throw that one as well. Good. Exactly, Jax. You cannot use 200 days. I have. Maybe like this. /cam start infinite. One S, okay, 1M, 1S. Come on. Oh. Yeah. I know what to do. Ah, shit. This is really bad. Lol. In the end, I would only need these two. Yeah, that's probably true. I only need these. I'm not even sure. This first, this next. Let's try again. There will not be a download directly after the stream. But, of course, I'm going to publish the mod sooner or later. It takes some time to write all of these Minecraft forum posts, etc., 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 which people demand nowadays. Of course I'm gonna do the full mod. Noob. Actually, I have already planned to finish it today. Why is it not working anymore? Oh god, I hate that. I hate that, really. But if I do it like this, it should definitely work. Let me try again. But it's just about the order in which these date formats get called. Loading. The number you see down there is the time in milliseconds. I'm currently testing if it is working correctly fine. It appears to. Yep, I've got it working. Pretty neat. Okay, let's continue. I will just do -1 seconds. Let's have a look. I think my code should cope with that. This might sound dumb, but can you do 1 minute 20 seconds, like it says in the example? Of course I can. Let me demonstrate it to you real quick. /cam start 1m20s. Yep, it works. Surprised? -1. Oh god. Oh god. Entering a negative -0s. -1s. Pointing this out, what I'm going to do is the hackish way. If time contains minus, return -1 duration. Yeah, that should work. That should. Yep. Thanks, Jax Minecraft, for pointing it out. Okay, now we have the duration, and here is the point at which I'm going to get the source from my replay mod. And cubic. Let me just copy all of these classes, which I've already coded once, and I do not want to code them again because that was a hell of a lot of work. Cinecam interpolation. Cubic. Next class is basic spline. Yeah, coding the interpolation was such a hard thing for me, and it took me like 5 hours, I think. And I do not want to have it taking 5 hours again. So I'm basically just copy pasting the code which I already have. What am I going to add next? Only need the spline point. Yep, right. So basically what the code which I'm currently copy pasting is doing is that it basically takes coordinates like these positions which I already have, and it is going to like make a smooth path of it. Yeah, okay. So I think I'm just going to take a break now, because this is going to take a long time now, like at least 1 more hour until I finish the mod. So I'm just gonna take a break. Yeah, see you then. Doom, 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 doom. We should be back. Yes. Hello. Still 28 people watching. That's nice. Let's just refresh the page once. Okay. Does anyone here listen? Write something in the chat, please. Good. I haven't seen anything yet, but good. Where are we? Okay, for all of the others who are new, like Toxic, I am recreating the Camera Studio mod for Minecraft 1.8. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's going pretty well. Something wrong with the OBS? No, it's all fine. Because it looks a bit weird on YouTube, but it might just be the YouTube player. Okay. Can you see the stream? I don't know. Maybe I haven't even... I have. Seems to be working. No stream live. Only 9 viewers left. Does it work now? Okay, good. Fine that it works. Yes, I'm recreating the Camera Studio mod for Minecraft 1.8, just for all of the guys who wanted it. Okay. How did I use this again? I have no real idea. This is code I've written earlier in this session, and all of the stuff in the interpolation package was basically written for me for the replay mod. Okay, here we go. Cam command. Path new. Maybe I would public static void start traveling long duration. Private boolean it's buffering for all of them. This is not working. This is not working. Refresh. Now it works. Should work now. Okay. You can't hear it. All of you left. Now it works. Great. Okay, should work now. False interrupt equals true. So I'm currently working on the replay itself. Okay, you're on the stream, that's nice. There seem to be more people than 3 watching, but let the viewers just come back. It's alright if not everybody wants to watch me doing some coding on the Camera Studio mod. Good. Thread t equals new thread, new runnable. Good. So in this point of code, I am. All of you are back. That's nice. Welcome back. So I'm here in the stream again. I am working on the replay mod for Minecraft 1.8, and I have added 2 methods: start traveling and stop traveling to the path handler. And if let's just return, and I'm going to call the path handler start traveling duration here, and if I should stop, all I'm going to do is path handler stop traveling and return again. Okay, so I just have to add this plus /cam stop interrupts the current camera traveling. Okay. Good. Now, whenever I type /cam stop, this is going to be called, and it's going to interrupt this thread, which is basically teleporting the player all of the time. Could you guys maybe stop talking about the amount of people who are watching this stream? That would be nice. Let me just try something. Good. People are coming back. A 2 minutes delay. That's fine. Good. Okay. While it does not interrupt. Okay, maybe I'm going to do spline point spline final equals new spline point. Spline point. Very good. Import that. Spline add point. Okay. And now I'm going to take all of the points and add them to my spline. And then the spline cog spline. Good, so basically what I have done is this spline point is this class which I have coded earlier, and whenever I go to cam start, I am generating a new smooth path between all of the points which I have set. Then I'm going to calculate it, and if I'm not going to be interrupted, I'm just going to fly to all of these locations. Let me just do this. Could you do a series on how to program Java? No, there are like enough tutorials on that on the internet. Seriously. It would just be like spitting in the ocean. Wouldn't make too much sense in my opinion. Okay, I need the long to be final. Somebody wants to give me euros? Get at me. Do you want my PayPal? Okay, while not interrupted. Long last time. Equals system. Okay. So this has some stuff to do with this is maths now. What you're going to see now is maths. If you hate maths, don't be shocked because this is maths. What microphone do I use? I'm using a headset which is the Xentos Stereo Console Gaming Headset. I can show it to you real quick. Here we go. This is it. I'm having it on my head right now. Oh yeah. But that was pretty off topic. Okay. When would it be finished? I hope soon. I hope pretty soon. Maybe within the next hour. Not sure. Maybe even in the next half hour. Is current time minus last real time. Of course I will do a test at the end. I'm testing all the time Coincrafter. I will show it to you pretty soon. I think I can even let that away. I don't even need the last real time. This might be interesting. So the path time is the time. Okay, once I'm starting the traveling, I'm saving the current time of the system in a variable. And then whenever I'm running this method, which is all of the time until it has finished, I'm checking at which time point of the camera movement I currently am. This is the path time variable. I could just return as well, I think. Oh. Yes, I am using OBS to stream. It's awesome and it also works on Mac, so it's twice as awesome. Should do this in the very end of the method. Good. Now double percentage equals path time. Let me cast it to a double. Double by double duration. Okay, so I'm basically calculating the percentage of the path that I have currently behind me. And then, behold, position pos equals spline get point percentage float. I can cast that. Yeah, mods rock. I can totally agree. And then utils teleport MC the player. let me get a reference on Minecraft. If MC the player is not null, else return. Yeah, and this should be it already. This is underlined and that annoys me. It shouldn't be. Yeah. Yeah, 2 hours. I've met the 2 hours point. That's nice. Woohoo! I've spent 2 hours on creating that mod and I'm pretty far. I'm almost done, to be honest. Which is something very positive. And still 35 people are watching. Okay, I'm really interested if this works. Let me get some points. /cam start tennis. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, it's working. How awesome is this? Very, very nice. Oh yeah. Look how smooth it goes. It's as smooth as the Camera Studio mod. Okay, let's just do cam stop here. Cam clear to reset the camera path and do some nice flying. Like this. And it's not working anymore. It's not even giving me errors, which is bad. But it's working. Awesome, really awesome. Okay. Wow. I don't even know what to say. That's so awesome. Can I download it on my laptop? Of course. Once it's finished. It's not yet. Definitely not. Okay, okay, what is wrong about the start traveling? Maybe I am going to. Okay, I'm now going to make all of the outputs a little bit better. Camera path has been reset. Give it feedback. Feedback. Edit point. Let me just return the keyframe count. Return keyframes dot size. This is just so I can output which point has actually been added. Plus path handler. I've added this point. Yep. I know the problem. Interrupt equals false. Okay. Let me just add a variable whether I am static boolean traveling equals false, where I keep track whether I'm traveling. If traveling, return. Traveling equals true, and after that traveling equals false. Yeah, I have to put interrupt to true. Here we go. That should work. Let me send a chat message. Let's add him some chat message. Imported, and here we go. Okay. Like this. Okay, if I run the mod again, exactly another generic gamer. This means that you do not have to make shots using the methods you described. And yeah, because this mod basically makes it so much simpler for you. Next, illusion. How do I program a mod and how do I know all of this stuff? Well, I have started programming exactly 3 weeks ago. Before that, I had no idea of how to actually program a mod either. But I've just learned it and it wasn't really hard. Okay, so let's just p /cam start 10s, and I'm traveling right through the blocks. Amazing. The reason why you saw it jittering a bit is because Camera Studio has the same issue, and this is because teleporting the player in the side of a block makes the Minecraft physics want to push him out, which is something that I cannot really easily cancel. But you see how smooth it is. Yeah, that's nice. I've tried making mods before. It never works out. It does, as you can see. Hello, villager, who's walking around over there. Oh god, this is so beautiful. Slash cam stop. Traveling has been stopped. Maybe. Okay, I will only do this if traveling, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. If he's not traveling, you cannot interrupt him. Okay, maybe I should add myself a new package which is called chat. Then I'm just going to add a chat processor. Okay, I have done such a thing earlier before in the replay mod again, but I think I'm gonna do it differently this time. I'm gonna make all of this stuff static again because I'm a fan of static stuff. What is it called? I have no idea. The villager in the background is annoying me. I'm pretty sure you cannot hear it, but he's right on my ears. Let me just quit Minecraft. Oh, I don't want to make it that hard. Let's just do it. Public static void send information string message and I will make all of the chat output a bit better now. Private static final string prefix. Here we go. Cinecam. This is what I decided to call the mod, I think. Not totally sure. God damn it. It's too dark in here. Gotta switch on a light. Winter these days. Okay. Send information. Let's just do if MC the player is not null. Okay, let's just get private static final Minecraft MC again. MC the player add chat massage. Illusion again. Is this, oh god, is this JavaScript or just Java? I don't have to answer this question, I think. Another generic gamer. So now what do I do with this Xbox controller? I don't have an Xbox. I bought it for the computer. Well, you can give it to me if you want. I can give you my address if you want to send your Xbox controller to me. I have no problem with that. Illusion, will you release this mod? If yes, then when? As soon as possible. And can you use Optifine with this mod so I can make cinematic shots for my videos? Of course, this is the point of it. It is compatible with Optifine. For me it's not very smooth. Is that internet or the stream? Both. Kto Czech? No. I'm not Czech. Yeah. What about for the title Pixel Cam? That's a thing to think about. Should I call it Cinecam or Pixel Cam? Just leave a comment over there. Pixel Cam or Cinecam. I just realized you made a Bucket server plugin for the same thing. Indeed! But it does not have such smooth movement. Crushed Pixel, make a JSON item generator. No, I don't have time. If this mod is out today, then I won't stop playing with it recording videos. Nice. Hi. JPC, you are back. Nice. And finally somebody explaining that JavaScript is not Java. Now let's get back. Chat component text. Let me add some more prefixes. Private static final string info. I'm not 100% sure about the colors anymore. Minecraft formatting codes. Here we go. The Minecraft Gamepedia is pretty nice for such stuff. Tommy Hattrick, I am using Eclipse. Okay, all of you want it to be called Pixel Cam. I definitely have to think about that. Well, the thing which I was thinking is that maybe Cinecam is better for people to switch over from Camera Studio, because it Ooh. The land of the burger wielding shotgun shooters. That might be a pretty accurate description. Info warning. Warning. Info prefix. Prefix. Plus info plus MSG. Send warning. Okay. Do you know Arduino? I've heard of Arduino. What exactly is that? Tell me. Arduino. That makes me think. Just tell it to me. Write a comment. Who is Arduino? I might as well Google, but I have no idea. Okay, send information, send warning. Okay, now search file. Let's just search for all of these occurrences. I'm just now going to replace everywhere where I'm manually sending stuff to the player's chat. I'm going to replace it with my chat processor method. Pathfinder 3 matches. Okay, send information like this. This makes my code more dry, so I don't repeat myself. Chat processor send information. And here I'm gonna send a warning. Okay. Command. On the utils I've done that. Like this. Finally here. Okay. This should work. Are you using Eclipse? Yes, I am. Does it cost money? No. Will Cinecam be open source? Probably. Not sure. But, I mean... What does this mod do? Oh, I just came. Thanks for letting me know. Arduino. I have no clue about Java. That's nice. I have some clue about Java, I guess. If you want to play on the server, join crashed pixel.eu. Yeah, have fun. This is my minigame server where I have programmed some of the stuff as well. All of the plugins are, of course, handwritten. Ah, you see, Cinecam added .1, added .2, /cam start 10s, traveling started. Yeah, this is nice. Currently not traveling. Is currently not traveling, is that even a correct English sentence? Write a better alternative over there in the comments. I will just let you do all of the dirty stuff. Tell me. Currently not traveling? Does that make sense? Anyhow? Okay. To be honest, I don't even know what else I would have to add to the mod. Huh. The cam go to? Maybe I will give a real quick output whenever he is. A free guitar. What? Why would somebody give away a free guitar? Okay. Spline.colkspline. I'm going to tell him when he has used the goto command. Chat processor send information plus here we go. Maybe I should remove the colon and the points in the end. Not traveling. Please put the Eclipse package presentation to hierarchical. Don't even know how that works. How can I do that? Let's just have a look. Appearance. No, not that. I have no idea how to do that. Will you add the camera tilting? I have no idea. Maybe I should add traveling finished. Okay. I have a question to you guys. Do you think that I should do it like in Camera Studio mode, where it actually tells the other guys on the server when they are like when the camera path of somebody starts or finishes? But because I think this was one of the most annoying parts of the Camera Studio mod. I think I will just keep it exclusive to the players chat. Edit point 1, edit point 2, edit point 3. Cam, go to 1, 2, 3. Yes, I know what I did wrong there. God damn it, this is a real noob mistake. Oh, it's not that newbie, actually. Press the down arrow in the top right corner of the Package Explorer. Ah. Yeah, that makes sense. I can understand you. I know this mod will be available on single player, but will the mod be available on multiplayer and Realms? Yes, of course, it will be a single player mod, but it will also work on multiplayer servers. Actually, let me just try it out. I'm really not sure if it works, but I will of course try to do that, because that would be like really the only thing I can imagine being missing. Do I have a server laying around somewhere? I don't think so. Let's just go net/download. I think that was the correct site. Internet, stop being so slow. Maybe download.jsp. I want a Minecraft server jar. I think the version is irrelevant whether it's 1.0 1.8 or 1.8.1. Yes, the mod will be multiplayer friendly. The reason why it looks laggy for you is because my stream sucks. My internet is not the best, but maybe I will get better internet soon. Minecraft. So I actually have Minecraft server 1.8, which is nice. Documents. Where is it? Silicon workspace. I will just run a server here real quick. Are you using MacBook or iMac? I'm using an MacBook. Okay, that sounded wrong. I'm using a MacBook. Are you planning on programming any more mods this year? Definitely. I'm currently working on the replay mod, which is the best mod ever. Failed to load EULA. God damn it, this thing. It's like, why? Why do I need to agree to EULA? Fuck you. Doesn't Forge come with a launch option called multiplayer? Okay, this is different. There's a... Oh, you're right. There is a launch option called server. I could have launched a server using that one. That's correct. But me, I might as well use a vanilla server just to prove that it's working correctly on a vanilla server. So I've started my own vanilla server here. And I'm now going to start the modded Minecraft. I don't even speak Japanese. No, it's German. Okay, let's see if this works. What will the replay mod do? Oh. Do you want me to showcase the replay mod later? If you want me to, I can do that. Just write it in the chat over there. Because I could simply do that. Wouldn't be too hard. I wanted to showcase it on multiplayer. God damn it. Let me stop the server. I have to set off online mode to false. Save. And relaunch it. Because otherwise I cannot join with my Forge client. Did it start? Ah, yeah, it is. Yeah, thanks, Thibaut. I've noticed that. Show us the replay mod as well. Can do that. Okay. This is the server. Let's just what am I called? Let's OP me. OP player 916. Yay. Just turn the sound off at all. Cam clear. 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. cam start 10s, and you see it works on the server like a charm. I'm absolutely amazed. I have just recreated the Camera Studio mod in less than 3 hours, and this is a thing which the original creator has not like been able to do in, I think it has been like 3 months now since the 1.8 update. Take this, sucker. It's not even that much code. Just this tiny bit of code, which I've coded. What is the EULA, and why does it always get in the way of launching servers? The EULA is something you have to sign, and you do so by setting EULA to true. And it is like conditions which Mojang gives to you for running a server. These have been added so that server owners cannot like sell kits for €1,000 on their website, and young children pay €1,000 or dollar, whatever, just for getting a stupid kit on a stupid server. Does the camera movement work through dimensions? No, not possible. CP, how old are you? I will become 16 soon. So I am 15 at the moment. Let me open the command base again. I think I can make the command a bit prettier. Yes. Think, here we go. At override. Possibilities. Let's call it AC for autocomplete. That's a bit shorter. Good luck with your mod. Thank you. Can we get download now? No. Exactly. Another generic gamer has understood. They are not allowed to take money for in-game advantages. That's what the EULA is about. I sound 20. Thanks. If args dot length equals 0, return add p start stop clear go to. Okay, so I'm basically just adding the autocomplete options to the tab autocomplete. CP, could you add a secret feature where if you push like L or something, it gives you a jump scare for an Easter egg in the mod? No, that would be painful. I don't want to fool the users of this mod. Let's try something. Will the shaders mod will be compatible with it? Yes. Do you have to be OP to use it? No. Let me think about it. / game mode 2. At another point, cam start 10s. Yeah. Okay, this is a problem. Maybe I should make him OP. Or make the thing require OP. Exactly. Does a survival player get teleported to the end of the chorus? If so, there would be a bit of balance issue. God damn it, YouTube. Why is it not working? Start the stream again. Refresh. Is it working? I have no idea. Welcome back, YouTube. Okay. I will require game mode 1. Okay, this is an idea. Yep. Cam start. If MC if MC the player get game. How do I get the game mode? Get player game mode. Sometimes Google is the best. It's the best solution. This is nice. MC the player. Huh. Man, this isn't working. If he's not in creative mode, have to be in creative mode to use this command. This is just so it avoids people from cheating and from dying if they fall from a high place. That would be cool. Martin Hagen. I'm using the Xantos Stereo Console gaming headset. I've showed that once in this stream already. This is it. Here you go. I'm having this on my head right now. It's pretty cool. Adios, amigo. I don't know if I get to see myself walking. Okay, let's just do a slash cam start. You have to be in creative mode to use this command. Very nice. Slash K mode 1. Okay, starting the traveling. Set their game mode to spectator on start and the enter button to the ground, change and back. Sounds like an idea. Illusion, it doesn't look like you're walking. That's bad. Igani, stop it. I'm not going to add any jump scares to this mod. That's unprofessional as fuck. Sorry to say that. Yeah, illusion. I think I'm answering it. Yeah. Does P work in survival mode? Yes, it does. Yeah, it does. Which it should. You cannot fly. Lol, I never heard CP swearing. That's good, and you won't ever hear me swear again. Maybe you can make a mix between game mode 3 and game mode 2. Let me do the following. Set game type spectator. And final, of course. I'm just MC the player get game. Shit. Man. The player. Open declaration. Set. Here we go. Set game type. Huh? What am I even... Okay, where do I get the game type? Maybe from the abstract client player. From the entity player. Here we go. Open type hierarchy. Open declaration. How does this work? The player is an entity player SP. Open declaration. Okay, I have no idea where I can get the game type from. Huh. My mom just walked in and asked why I'm watching a guy who's typing this weird text. I will resist making a yo mama joke now. Okay, I can't. Your mama is so cool. She thinks that Crushed Pixels coding is weird text. Yeah. Okay, I have really no idea where I'm getting the game type from. This is awful. Maybe, yeah, let me just try this out. Start traveling. Maybe it won't even work. I'm not sure. Let's just run this. Of course, it was the worst yo mama joke you've ever heard, because I didn't want to be rude. Look in the command game mode. Thanks. Thank you. That was helpful. That was really helpful. How did you make the soccer ball? Using swag. Yeah, thanks, Illusion. This is the exact point why I did that. ProRed, this didn't help me because I cannot find out where the game mode comes from. Game mode 1. I cannot know the game mode which the player currently has, which is bad. Game mode 2. So there, okay, let's just do P and P and P. Cam start tennis. Yeah, you see. Yeah, of course it doesn't work because that abstract class isn't implemented at all. Yep. Yes, it was a zombie with dinner bone name. If you get the entity player MP, there's a get game type file. But I have an entity player SP, which... oh god, this is bad. Wait, can I cast it to entity player MP? I don't think so. Ah, I have to have a server-side mod to get into game mode 3. Shit. Yes, it would have to be a server-side mod. But what I could do is that I add a new entity, which is client-side, and gives me the ability to have a free camera. Yes, the server handles the game mode. The client has no access. Let me just ask a question. I would like to not sure if anybody can answer this question. Tall guy, I asked a Rock and Bookman and the Nike Traptions and the others which know about that. Okay, I will just leave it like this then. Can't do anything against that. I have to be in creative mode to use this command. Good. I didn't even test the autocomplete, which I have added. Otherwise, throw new command exception. Okay, let me just test the autocomplete real quick. Potato rock. It's just saying potato. I can definitely agree with that statement, potato. I have 42 viewers. The answer to life, the universe, and everything. That's perfect. Yeah, maybe just move the camera. That was what I was planning. However, the problem is that what might happen is that the chunks are not loaded in the end. Cam start 10s. Okay, let's do cam. Why is the autocomplete not working? Could you make a physics exception in your mod so you can go through blocks without lag or glitches? I wish I could. I wish. Let me actually try something. It might be possible. Yeah, exactly. That what Rock'n'Ball command says. I don't want to be limited to where the player can see or load. Of course, the tag completion options won't make sense either because they are server-side. So much server-side stuff. Let me think. What was I about to do? Yay, potato. I have to read all of that again. I don't know. mc.theplayer.noclip. if that works. Rock'n'Brockman says it won't work. Let me just try it out myself. Potato ist die beste Sache in der Welt. Here you go. It means potatoes are the best things in the world. Even though potato in German is Kartoffel. Slash times that day. Nobody is following him. Just no. Hi, Victor Matteo. Welcome to this stream. Oh. Okay, let's just do /cam clear p and another point here. Can I move through? Apparently I can't. Doesn't seem to be that easy. Let's try and move through this tree. This might hurt. It is definitely hurting. No clip is not working. Hi Syrian112. Yeah, I would have been surprised. That would have worked. Now there's only one thing. Maybe. Is that a public void? It appears. This is the last hope which I have. If this works, I feel like a dirty hacker. I can't use game mode 3 because I cannot simply put a player into game mode 3. I have to tell the server that I want to be in game mode 3. But since this mod is only client-side, yeah, I could rewrite the renderer. No, totally not. There's so much stuff going on in the chat. Okay, just no. No, you don't have to be OP to use this mod on a server. This is the good part. Okay, let me test something. This will not work. This will just not work. Let me stop with that stuff. And yeah, there's only one last thing which I have to program now. Because as far as I remember, exactly, you kind of need OP on a server to use it because of creative mode. Because if you're on game mode 2, the mod is going to kill you. Like seriously, you're going to fall from a high place. Let's just fly around a bit, and this time just select 2 points. Wait, it's working. Okay, I don't know what else to add. This mod seems to be finished. Okay. Should I? This is the big question. Should I call the mod Cinecam or Pixelcam? There is no time limit. I think Cinecam sounds better as well. Minecam, Pixelcam, Cinecam. I'll make a straw poll. Real quick. This is taking too long. Oh! Oh god. Oh god. Holy shit. I just got pranked on a live stream. Holy shit. Oh god. Oh, holy shit. Oh. Straw. This is the wrong link. I need the correct straw poll link. Oh god, this just killed the shit out of me. Oh. This is so embarrassing. Oh god. This is a fake straw poll link which somebody once sent to me, and oh god, it has this really loud sound effect which just killed me, and yeah. This is the poll. Copy the link. That. God damn it. I can't even give the link to you. This is bad. Straw poll, yeah, it's really the worst troll website ever. I'm just going to post that for them. Yeah, these were just some Minecraft groups where I'm in. Yeah, Shaggy came up with the idea of Pixelcam. I don't even know what I should call it. Wow, you guys are voting real quick. It should be called CP Cam, Pixel Cam. Whoops. Whoops, not meant to do that. The best answer, it should be called Camera Studio Mod by Mr. Muckystein. Okay, 50% are thinking that it is server IP. Just join that server. So you guys want it to be called Pixel Cam. Cinema Studio. Oh god, that would sound like an awful rip-off. Okay. The link. He wants the link. That's what he wants. God damn it. Please call it Craft Cam. Let me just check out what the others mean. Yeah, hello stream, blah blah blah. You are not thought to meant to see all of my private chat stuff. Okay. Appears like I should call it Pixel Cam then. Hello, soy peruano. Ich nix peruan. Pixel Cam version 1.0. Now I have to modify the mcmod.info. Pixel Cam. Let me just fill in all of that stuff. Yeah, I will make a new poll. That makes sense. For something else. Straw. This is the wrong straw poll. I will have to use that one. You got me once, you won't get me a second time. Minecam, Cinecam, Pixel Cam, CP Cam. What else was there? Craft Cam. Okay, that appears to be the that should be it. Let the stuff flow in Pixel Cam. Pixel Cam. Cinecam. Pixel Cam. Craft Cam. Pixel Cam. Camcraft. Yeah, sorry, but pixel cam seems to be the yeah. Pixel cam seems to be the shit. Okay, 1.0, 1.8, crashed pixel.eu, just me, no credit, none of that. Maybe just launch the mod again. Yeah, I'm gonna call it pixel cam. Crushed cam. You guys have the weirdest ideas. Mods pixel cam. That works. Yeah, pixel cam slash cam. Okay, I'll just have to rename it in the chat processor. Processor. A processor. Pixel cam. Close all. And rename it to pixel cam. Rename subpackages, and here we go. Yes, of course I did change the prefix. Dude, calm down. Okay. Now I'm going to use the terminal of my Mac. I'm gonna move here, and I know what I forgot. Shit. Build.gradle version. This should work. Okay, now it's compiling the mod. Someone give it's an Android cookie. I think I'm gonna do it myself. Do we have the cookies? Wow, all of these emoticons are so incredibly ugly. It's really awful how ugly they are. Can't find the cookie. Give me the cookie. Ah, here. I have a make in vanilla Minecraft challenge for you. Try to make a quarry using fuel like blah blah blah. Sounds like a good idea, but Pyotrix has already done that, and I'm going to do a video on that, I think. Yeah, so let me start my Minecraft with Forge. New Finder window. Mods. Pixel cam. Let me remove the replay mod. And I am going to test the mod, and then I'm going to make a video on it. But first, I'll try something. Can you show us the replay mod later? Yes, I can show you the replay mod later. Definitely. Stop spamming "it's an ender with cookies." You don't want him to get fat, do you? Is there any server which I could connect to? Except for the Jesper server. I don't want to get banned. Ah, this is the world with the Koopa shells. This one. Oh, it's so laggy for me without while I'm streaming. But you know, I'm just gonna cam start 10 seconds. Right through the block. This worked. GG. I have finished the pixel cap mod. I will make sure to create a video as soon as possible. Why is the stream hanging? Good, it's working. Yeah, thanks for watching to all of you. I think I'm going to show you the replay mod one other day. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just really tired now. And I gotta prepare the replay mod, the pixel cam mod to be released. Thanks to all of you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this stream, and I'm glad so many people were interested in me recreating the Camera Studio mod in Minecraft 1.8. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.